Here at DS Motorsport, we specialise in classic and modern race car preparation. Along with track car and race car hire packages to suit a variety of motorsport competitions. Using our highly developed training vehicles, we can develop your driving skills to prepare you for competitive motorsport. With dedicated one-to-one driver tuition, using either your own car or ours, we will help you succeed in joining us with our 100% podium success record. Whether it's a classic or modern racing experience that you're looking for, we've got you covered. The initial training can start in either our rear-wheel drive Toyota MR2 or our front-wheel drive Golf GTI. Both vehicles are ideal stepping stones towards your final racing goal, in whichever vehicle championship or one-off race that may be. We can offer you our full support on your tailored journey from start to finish, including building you a class-winning race car. Do you want to go racing? Do you want the unrivaled thrill of competitive driving? Do you want to be up on that podium celebrating? Then there's only one thing left to do. Call us today and make it happen.